Hi Psyche Truth fam, my name is Sinah and welcome to today's full body Yogalates workout. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out to our friends over at Halter for gifting us these awesome activewear outfits. So whenever you're ready, just grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. Halter is a female-founded company with a feminine eye for detail. Their clothes are functional as they are stylish. The quality of their clothing is what I love about Halter. Ready to be used for activities such as boxing, tennis, and yoga, while also being versatile for lounging or going out with some friends. My favorite piece of clothing from Halter thus far is their Patitoff pet hair resistance collection, which receives phenomenal reviews. No more using tape or lint rollers to get your furry friend's hair off of your workout attire. Just pat it off and head out the door. But overall, their entire selection of clothing is stylish, trendy, and sleek. I love working out in Halter's clothing. It simply adds more of a confidence boost to my workouts, which allows me to play it my way. Halter believes in self-care through play. Their entire mission is to build up and inspire health and wellness through those self-embracing moments with the spirit of being yourself, being unique, being original, and being beautiful. All women and girls deserve the freedom to just throw something on, get out the door, and know they look amazing. The ease, the comfort, and the self-embracing confidence is at the heart of the Halter lifestyle. So if you'd like to play it your way, be sure to check out the pinned comment and description below and use our personal discount code to receive some sweet savings from our friends over at Halter. Halter has also brought out their new design, the Breezeful Flowy white leg casual pants. I love wearing them. They're so cute and comfortable. It's perfect for casual activities like going for a brisk walk or dancing and even brunch. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started in a comfortable kneeling position, just taking a deep breath in as you lengthen through your spine, really allowing the crown of your head to reach towards your ceiling. Exhale as you ground from your bottom body all the way through your mat, and just close your eyes, imagining opposite forces pulling. The further you go, goes upward towards the sky, and the bottom part of you comes downward towards the earth. So just imagine this opposite force, knowing that you are a combination of both in this very present moment. Take a deep breath in to connect with the higher power, with the divinity. Deep breath out to connect with the core of this earth. Keeping in mind that these both very powerful forces live inside of you every single day, choosing to use the best of both to empower you throughout today's workout and the rest of your day. Take one more deep breath in, connecting with both. Deep breath out. Slowly putting a warm smile on your face and opening your eyes. Excellent job. We're going to go ahead and move towards a tabletop position just to do some warm-up exercises. From this tabletop position, you're going to take a deep breath in as you lengthen your right arm high to the sky. Exhale, thread it below your left, coming into thread the needle. Allow your right cheek to just rest gently on your mat. We're going to stay here for 2 full breaths. Deep breath in as you lengthen that arm. Deep breath out as you surrender into your mat, finding that stretch in your shoulder, in your upper arm, in your spine. One more breath right here. On your next inhale, raise that right arm high to the sky, high to that divine force. Exhale, place it back on your mat. Inhale, raising your left arm. Exhale, thread it below your right, resting your left cheek on your mat. We're here for 2 breaths. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. One more breath right here. Excellent job. Take a deep breath in as you raise that left arm high to the sky. Exhale, place it back on your mat. From this position, we're just going to go ahead and send our hips back and bring our elbows to the mat and then walk them a little bit in front of our face. Bring our forearms high and our palms to the sky and place them below and place them behind our head. Shift your weight back a little bit more, stretching that upper arm, stretching those shoulder blades and that back. Stay here for a deep breath in as you feel your chest and your back expand. Deep breath out as you feel your chest and your back constrict. One more breath right here. Excellent job. Placing both of your forearms back on your mat, separating them a little bit, coming into shoulder width distance apart, extending your right leg behind, then your left, coming into a forearm plank. So let's do a body scan right here. Make sure your core is really engaged. That means belly button is really plugged in towards your spine. Your shoulders are over your elbows. Your feet are strong behind you. And your hips are lowering towards your mat. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, we're going to start doing some hip circles. Coming to the right corner, left corner, right back corner. And we repeat. Come with me for 5, 4, 3, last 2, 1. Hold. Let's reverse those circles. Now starting from our left. For 5, 4. Can you plug in that belly button a little bit more? For 3, 2, 1. Coming back to that forearm plank. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release to your mat. Inhale, coming into cobra. Exhale, lower. Inhale, pushing yourself up to upward facing dog. Hold. Exhale, lower back down. Excellent job. Now we're just gonna shift our weight towards our right side. Right forearm is on the mat. And we're gonna place our left foot in front of our right. In this crisscross position, take a deep breath in right here. Exhale, lift high to the sky. Option to allow your hand to just be lifted high to the sky, or it could come to your hip. Whatever is most comfortable to you. Take a deep breath in right here. And we drop our hip to the mat and lift for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Coming back into that forearm plank. Shift to the left. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop and lift for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Come back into that forearm plank. Open your knees wide. Send your hips back into child's pose. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Slowly moving into that tabletop position. Plugging your belly button towards your spine. Sending your hips high to the sky into a downward facing dog. And pedal right and left slowly. Waking up your body. Moving from side to side, connecting to the core of the earth. Finding stillness. Inhale, lifting your right leg high to the sky into a 3-legged dog. Exhale, step it in between both of your hands. Inhale, coming into crescent. Exhale, coming into warrior 2. Deep breath in right here. Exhale, reverse that warrior. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, chaturanga, both of your arms to the mat. Coming into a 3-legged plank. And we hold for 10, 9, 8, yes you can, or 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, chaturanga. Inhale into upward. Exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, 3-legged dog on your left leg. Exhale, step it in between both of your hands. Inhale, coming into crescent. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, warrior two. Hold right here. Cartwheel hands to the mat. Coming into that three-legged plank, and we hold for 10, 9, 8. Plug in that belly button towards his spine. Push away from the mat for 4, 3, 2. Yes, you can. Chaturanga. Inhale into upward. Exhale to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in right here. Deep breath out. Dropping to your knees. Coming to the middle of your mat. Inhale, hands come high to the sky. Exhale, give yourself a tight hug. And close your eyes. Finding your inner strength, your inner power. Being aware that your power comes from within, from a connection to the divine and from the connection to the core of the earth. You're a mixture of all. Holding that power within, choosing to use this power throughout the rest of your day, choosing to use this power to connect with others, to connect with yourself, to connect with the external environment. Inhale, send your arms high to the sky. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Rolling your shoulders up and back. Gently putting a warm smile on your face and opening your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much for working out with us today. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further movement classes.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.